So listening to the community in Rockingham was a great surprise and a great gift for us because we had the opportunity to really understand what the community asked for. We found that there were a lot of missing opportunities for learning and engagement in the community. Specifically when it came to the older audience, older siblings, upper elementary, middle, and high school students. With the expansion of the Rockingham project and providing opportunities for learning through immersive creativity and exploration, and really bringing in that multi-generational, intergenerational learning, this has given us an opportunity to really explore that and to hone in into those opportunities. The community partnerships are amazing. We could not have done this without them. We could not have done this without the support of the community in the city of Rockingham. One thing about this project that was so special to me and to our colleagues and friends here is that when you walk into the museum, you're going to see the town. You're going to see a part of, what is Rockingham? Who is Rockingham? You're going to see, the sign that says "Welcome to Rockingham," because that's what it's about. It's about paying homage to this great city. And we are a resource that is driven by the community, for the community, and we serve the community. We build off of what children's needs and desires are and what their future looks like. We really take a step back and have to say, kids are not learning the same as we did back 10, 15, 20 years ago. And they're not going to learn the same 10, 15, 20 years from now. A lot of our learning and a lot of our teaching in children's museums, it's just that. It's about watching kids and seeing how do they learn? How do they take turns? Are they taking turns? And it gives us the opportunity to learn and figure out what we need to teach them too, because that's what you're supposed to do. You learn through play, you play to learn, and us adults, we should learn to do the same.